Mae'r Rhwydwaith Ymchwilwyr Gyrfa Cynnar yn cynnig cyfleoedd i wneud cysylltiadau ar draws sectorau a dysgyblaethau ymchwil mwyn gwthio eich gyrfa yn ei blaen.
The Learned Society has a kind of couple of strengths here that can really help early career researchers in Wales. We operate across the whole of Wales, and we're for arts and sciences. We're completely interdisciplinary. Peer support is really important, particularly for early career researchers starting out in their career. And so what we want to do is connect them with their peers, as well as people with a bit more experience and expertise to help them. That's why we created this network.
Mae'r Rhwydwaith yn cynnal cenedlaethau a digwyddiadau sy'n galluogi academyddion sydd ar ddechrau eu gyrfaoedd i elwa ar arbenigedd a mentora.
The ECR have helped my career because I've engaged with the network through conferences and through discussions with other academics, and I've learnt about other academics' work, which is always helpful because then you can find synergies, you can collaborate, you can connect and you can work together. We are constantly being supported to be part of collaborating, to come up with new ideas, to input, to innovation, to comment on other people's work and stuff. That's a vibrant community of individuals working together, and that stimulates you. The ECR has been really useful for that, for me.
So when I started my research group, it was really important to get a really healthy start. So what we did was we attracted people from all around the world, all around the country, who were experts in what they did. And the Learned Society of Wales really just allowed us to sort of take it up a level. And it's just building those networks again and making sure that we are really a major piece of the puzzle when it comes to nuclear research in the United Kingdom and in Wales.
We recognise that small pots of funding are actually quite hard for people to get hold of, particularly those in an earlier stage of their careers. One of the things we've started is a small grant scheme. We have a stream specifically available for early career researchers, and it's a grant to facilitate collaborative workshops. It actually can make a huge difference in being able to run something where you can start to get together with your peers or other experts, particularly to look at interdisciplinary topics or to work with those outside of your institution to really start developing proposals for things that are going to take your career forward.
Os ydych chi'n ymchwilydd ac wedi cwblhau eich PhD o fewn y 10 mlynedd diwethaf, mae'r Rhwydwaith Ymchwilwyr Gyrfa Cynnar eisiau eich helpu chi.
The best way to engage with the network is to sign up to the newsletter. And there's going to be a real variety of things to be holding seminars, skills workshops on things like grant writing that are helpful for ECRs at this point in their careers. Signing up to the newsletter is definitely the first port of call for finding out about everything that's going on.